DesignDive 360, your ultimate destination for all things design. Today, we will unravel the secrets behind creating design systems that resonate with brand identity and cater to the ever-evolving needs of users. Understanding the brand. A brand is more than just a logo or a product. It's the sum total of experiences, perceptions, and emotions that people associate with a company or product. It's the promise of quality and the delivery of that promise that creates a lasting impression. Brand guidelines is the blueprint of identity. Brand guidelines serve as the DNA of a brand. They outline the tone of voice, the brand's archetype, its story, vision, and mission. These elements are not standalone, they interweave to form a coherent narrative that guides every aspect of the brand's presence. Brand identity vs. brand image. Brand identity refers to how a company aims to be perceived by its target audience, encompassing elements such as logos, colors, and messaging. On the other hand, brand image pertains to how the audience actually perceives the company, formed by their experiences and interactions with the brand. A successful brand aligns these two aspects closely, with Apple and Nike being prime examples of this harmony.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Design systems, crafting consistency and efficiency. So what is a design system? A design system is a collection of reusable components guided by clear standards that can be assembled together to build any number of applications. It's the framework that ensures design consistency and streamlines the development process. As components of a design system. A design system consists of several key components that work together to ensure consistency and efficiency in design and development processes. The importance of using a design system. Design systems are not just a bunch of pictures and files. They are like a plan for doing things well. They help to save time, make products easier to use, keep the look and feel the same, and make it easier for teams to work together. This makes users happier, teams stronger, and the design consistent. The three pillars of design systems. A robust design system stands on three pillars: style guides, spine libraries, and component libraries. To style guides. The brand's playbook. Think of a style guide as your brand's playbook. It's where you find everything from typography and color palettes to the do's and don'ts of your brand's visual identity. But it's not just about looks. UX style guides ensure your design direction aligns with user expectations, while content style guides keep your language and tone consistent. 2. Pattern libraries. Your design toolkit pattern libraries are where UI elements like buttons and fonts live. They are the tried and tested solutions that have been refined through rigorous usability testing. When you pick a pattern from the library, you are choosing the best design practices for your project. 3. Component libraries. Code meets design. Component libraries are where the magic happens, where UI patterns are paired with clean, efficient code. This is where cost savings kick in big time. Designers get a running start and developers can avoid reinventing the wheel with code that's already been optimized. I'll catch you in the next video, where we'll explore more exciting topics together. Discover the full guidebook with all the details you need by following the links in the description below. Thank you so much for sharing your time with us. If our journey into the heart of digital design has touched or inspired you, please subscribe and join our growing family.